This one is going to be 1, 2. Oh, wait. Any more mangoes, you know? We have run out of the mangoes. Aam khatm ho gaya.
What?
What are you doing, Eddie? You are eating. What are you
Mango.
eating? Mango. Nice. My favorite fruit you are eating. It's not hot, I guess. What should I add? I think I should add some turmeric. Some salt. What else? Some spices. Yes. We do need some spices.
Spices here?
No. We need sambar spice for this because this is going to be into a dosa. This much is suffice because Advita
This
is going
is
to
also
eat it.
spicy.
And when Advita eats something, she keeps saying one thing. Mama, it's so tikha. Oh yes. Do you know what we call tikha in English? For tikha there are lots of words. It's hot. Yes. For tikha we use spicy and hot as well. Sometimes you see people going, it's so hot. It's not like it's so hot. It's so tikha wala hot. Now it looks good. Otherwise,
मेरे मुंह में पानी आ रहा कंचन.
You want to say that in English? You can say my mouth is watering. Would you like it dry or I should add some water?
I don't think that you should add water
You like
because साउथ इंडिया में क्या होता है ना, साउथ इंडिया में और नॉर्थ इंडिया में दोनों में फ़र्क क्या है. नॉर्थ इंडिया में सब्जी और ढेर सारी चीज़ें दे देते हैं. आलू मतलब आलू खिलाते ज़्यादा सो बट साउथ इंडिया में क्या करते हैं कि वो रादर देन आलू वो प्रेशर देते हैं चीज़ों पे, हर्ब्स पे, वेजिटेबल्स पे.
Such as they use that drumstick, you know? Drumstick.
What is that?
ड्रमस्टिक को कुछ लोग मुनगा बोलते हैं, कुछ लोग सहजन बोलते हैं. आई डोंट नो कि वो आई थिंक हर एरिया के हिसाब से अलग अलग बोला जाता है. एंड गाइस अगर आप जहाँ रहते हैं वहाँ इसको कुछ अलग नाम से बुलाते हो तो प्लीज़ कमेंट सेक्शन में लिख के बताइएगा, हमें भी पता चले. क्योंकि जब हम दिल्ली में थे तो हम उस टाइम सहजन बोलते थे, तो वहाँ पे जब हमने बोला तो सब्जी वाले को पता ही नहीं था ये क्या होता है. कहता व्हाट इज दिस. तो जब उसको हमने दिखाया कि ये चीज़, कहता अच्छा लक्कड़ बोलो ना इसको, लक्कड़. तो वहाँ पे दिल्ली में लक्कड़ बोलते हैं. फिर हम आ गए चंडीगढ़. चंडीगढ़ में हमने कहा भैया लक्कड़ दे, तो कहते ये क्या होता है. हमने कहा ये, तो कहते हैं अच्छा सहजन बोलो ना. फिर तो बड़ा इशू है इन सब चीज़ों का. जब हम मूव करते हैं तो सब्जियों के नाम भी मूव हो जाते हैं, मतलब अलग अलग हो जाते हैं. तो जहाँ आप रहते हैं बताइएगा ताकि अगर कभी हम उस सिटी में आए तो सही नाम से बुला सकें. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू स्प्रेड बैटर ऑन इट एंड इट विल बिकम अ डोसा.
Do you like dosa?
Yes, I do. But I think I like idli more than dosa. When I was little, so I was really scared of this and wiping. Now the batter goes here in the mid and then we spread it. Like this and that and this. Now I'm good at this.
Good at this.
Yes, if you can do something really well, so you would say I'm good at something, not in. I'm good at.
Like I'm good at recording.
You're good at recording. I'm good at making videos. I'm good at teaching.
So are you good at cooking?
No, actually I suck at cooking.
Suck at. Suck at means
means I'm not good at cooking.
मतलब reverse, उल्टा.
Yes. So I give you so many words, you know, so that you can use different words in different situations. Once this is done, we'll just put some oil.
Put some oil.
Yes, we can say put. Because literally we are putting actually. Adri, do you want to eat some paper dosa? Did you eat that one? Did you like that?
Yes.
So do you want with the potato or without potato? Only paper. Which one do you want?
Without tato.
I knew this. Okay. As you wish.
वाओ, जल गए.
Okay, yes, I burned myself a little bit. ये भी एक अच्छा सेंटेंस मिला ना कि अगर आपको कहना है मैं जल गई तो आप क्या बोलेंगे? I burned myself. ठीक है? It's not like कि आपने knowingly ऐसा कुछ किया है. Oh, I forgot to put water.
No issues.
I don't think it will. See, I knew it is going to be ruined. Ah.
Put water.
Now I can't. We have to. I shouldn't have done that.
So it was a blunder.
Yeah, it was. Okay, we have to wait for the next one. Not we. You have to wait because you are hungry. Now we have to clean it. Adrita, if you need fan, go and sit in the room. Okay?
TV.
No TV. No.
Please.
Later on, dear. Later on. Not now. All the time you cannot watch TV. Every watching TV is not good.
Eat my food.
After eating, yes. First you finish what you are eating. And I'll give you one more.
Is it okay now?
Yeah. See? It's okay. There should not be the sticky part. If it is here, it doesn't spread well. See?
आज किचन में मेस ज्यादा है.
हाँ. Because डोसा बना रहे ना. नॉर्मल फूड होता है तो आधा.
बिकॉज रिया भी नहीं आई ना.
पोल खोल दो आप मुझे.
I'm hungry now.
You're hungry?
Yes.
Wait, just it will take around 2 minutes only.
2 minute.
Yeah, 2 minutes.
2 minute Maggie.
No. Now I've added this and we will be putting some onion. It will be really amazing. This is my sambar. Actually, I made this in the morning itself, so I'm heating it up. Heating it up means garam कर रही हूँ, गर्म कर रही हूँ. How does it look, Ru? It looks nice.
My mouth is watering. I can say this one.
That's great. Then you will find it good. If somebody is hungry, so
I can eat whale. I can eat horse.
I can eat a horse or I can eat a whale is a phrase that you can use if you are really very hungry. Like if you wanna say कि पेट में चूहे कूद रहे हैं, इतना भूखा हूँ कि कुछ भी खा लूँ, कुछ भी दे दो, जो नहीं पसंद है वो भी खा लूँगा. Then you can use it. Otherwise, there are so many phrases like as you can say, I'm famished. I'm famished का मतलब actually होता है कि मेरे पेट में चूहे कूद रहे हैं. I'm famished. Now dosa is ready. Let's have it. Come.